everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Azure by Alphite Developers. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the land parcel. Have a look at it. Also have a look at the main road. The road leads you directly to the Warsaw Beach. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points: project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.5 acres with single tower, 2 levels of basement ground plus 6 levels of podium and 28 residential floors within configuration of 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about connectivity of this project, as mentioned, this project is located at Fishery University Road, Warsaw, with upcoming coastal road at a distance of just 100 meters, Warsaw metro station at a distance of just 800 meters, Western Express highway at a distance of just 3 kilometers, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer, and the best part that Warsaw Beach is at a distance of just 500 to 800 meters. Talking about amenities, this project has 25 plus world-class amenities including swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, rooftop dining and many more. Talking about carpet area, as mentioned, this project has two configurations, 2 and 3 BHK with 2 BHK 838 square feet and 3 BHK 1302 square feet. Now talking about booking process, so our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where a sales team will help you with the actual project details. We'll also show you the actual flat and the sample flat. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the booking amount. The booking amount will be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of Azure Residences by Alphite. To get more information about this project, download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.